deer lovers. It's a very rainy day in Perth today. It's been raining a lot this week. And I was looking for something to do today, so I decided to go to a place called Bells Rapids. Now, I've been here before. This place roars during the middle of winter when we get the big heavy rains in Perth. Now, this area here, it's around about 50 kilometres upstream from the Swan River, the mouth of the Swan River, where it flows into the Indian Ocean. Now, you know, when I've done those videos about the city of Perth, and I've got the big tall buildings in the background and the wide expanse of the Swan River in the foreground, well, that's around about 30 kilometres downstream from here. So as you can see, when you go upstream on the Swan River, it gets very wild. You get a lot of forest here, there's a lot of bush. It's a very natural landscape. Some people love coming here in the spring, but I prefer to come here in the winter time when all the reptiles and all the snakes are hibernating. So let's look around this area. As I said, this area here is called Bells Rapids.